Welcome back, cruisers.
We're back.
Today is
Laundry day.
laundry day. Super excited. All right, last time we did a laundry day, we were on
The Independence of the
Independence of the Seas on Royal Caribbean. Today, we are on the Carnival Horizon, and they have self-serve laundry. So we are about to do self-serve laundry on vacation. That sounds like fun. It is exciting. We're on our way up, and we're going to go to deck 7 laundry. That's one deck up from where we're at, because deck 6, the laundry is full. So lots of people doing laundry today as well. But I did hear that deck 7 had space available. So we're going to go up the stairs. And then we are going to go right above where the laundry is on deck 6. All right, here we are. Laundrette. Let's check it out. It's actually cool in here. It's air conditioned.
Really?
Awesome. There's a sink. This actually will be good for if you're on one of those ATV excursions, because your clothes will get filthy. Or if you have little kids, that's awesome. You can just rinse and clean up first. They've got 3 washers and 3 dryers. Soap center. They've got soap, bleach, softeners, and laundry bags. We went ahead, we chose Tide. You just tap your card. You choose which detergent you'd like. And what did we get?
We chose Tide, but then I came out with Game. So Tuesday.
We got Game. That's all right. Here, if you decide you'd like to iron, especially formal night, the suits, the shirts, all that kind of stuff, no problem. Just come over here and zip it through the iron. You're all set. Okay, so here is the laundry room controller instruction. So it says to go to an empty machine and load your laundry. Close machine door, note machine number, and return here. Enter machine number on your keypad. Press enter arrow on keypad. Tap your sale and sign card on the logo below, which is going to be right here. And yeah, go to your machine, choose your cycle, and press start. All right, so let's roll here. Now we're going to go ahead and load our stuff into the machine. Here we go. This is where the bag comes nice and clean. We're just going to load it all in. I probably just dump this on here. I probably think that's the right amount, too. I could have just done all of it. In fact, I probably should have. Then when I get home, I'll have no laundry. Alright, so here you go. You see, I have tons of stuff in here. Look at those pants. They got super filthy. That's what made us decide to do laundry. Chris and Alex went on an ATV excursion, and Chris fell in the cave. He got actually pretty hurt, but his pants were filthy. So we're gonna go ahead and wash those off too. I already did rinse them a little bit and put them out on the balcony, but they're still super dirty. So we're gonna wash those. We are going to dump the laundry detergent in, like it says. Even though technically I believe you're supposed to start the water and put the detergent in before you add the clothes, but we're going to go ahead and do it this way, because that's what the machine's telling us to do. So we're going to follow the machine's directions instead of the soap. So we're going to take our gain. We're going to dump that in here on top of our clothes like so. We loaded the machine. We closed the door. We noted our machine number, which is located actually right here. We've got number 5. So we've got 5. Enter machine number. Okay.
Enter.
We got 5.
Enter your machine. Press enter.
All right. $3.50 to do our laundry. Tap your sale and sign card. All right.
Press enter.
Press enter to start. Activating. Account is billed. Now let's go ahead, folks. I hear the water running. So we are all set. How cool is that? Yep. All right. So the only thing is, it does not say how long it doesn't tell us how long it's going to take to wash this. So we're probably just going to hang around here. My guess is it's going to be about anywhere from 30 minutes to maybe 45 minutes or so. So yeah, we're just going to stick around here, hang out, do some laundry. It's super cold in here, so that's awesome. Yeah. And yeah, maybe I'm going to go get another one. Right? What do you think? Sure. All right. Laundry. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so wash and here's our wash into the dryer. So we've got 2 dryers running, and some of these things that are a little bit heavier, I'm just gonna hang it out on our balcony to dry because these dryers do run slow. I mean, they don't dry fast at all. This dryer is actually on its 2nd run right now. The first time everything was still pretty damp, and it was 40 minutes for the first dry. So yeah, so this is taking time, not gonna lie, right? Yeah, Austin's getting over it. But we're gonna have some clean clothes, so that's exciting. Yeah. And yeah, so we're gonna see if it finishes, if this dryer finishes on the 2nd cycle through. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna take it all probably and dry it on the balcony because it's too long. So, all right, let's see how long it takes. All right, so laundry is dry. It did take about an hour to dry. This much laundry within 2 machines, so it's not too bad. Yeah, so what time did we start this? We started around, well, it took about 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 20 minutes to do all of this laundry here. And I do have maybe 5 rompers, and I took that to hang out out on the balcony. So it will dry faster. It won't take too long in here. So I did do that. Also 1 hoodie and 2 pairs of sweatpants. So that's all out on the balcony, and everything else here is dry. So not too bad, guys. That's Carnival laundry. Check it out.
All right, so we decided to go and get the kids' laundry. So I went down to the kids' room. I got another bag of laundry because it's empty. Everybody's off the ship today, so I thought, you know what? We'll just use another machine and do 2 loads of laundry today. So here we go.
Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and see where we're going next. Bye for now.